We already said that you joined Ecom degree back in the summer of 2021. And then December of 2021, 3 months ago, was when you started looking into Amazon. Do you feel that Ecom degree was necessary in your success?
Yes, I agree with that. It definitely kind of pushed me in the right direction. It kind of gave me that motivation to even do it. But secondly, it also kind of gave me like the blueprint to follow. Like these are the steps that I need to do. Had I not done it, I feel like I would have struggled a lot more. But the program itself is great. I mean, it kind of tells you everything step by step. I still did some research myself because, I'm from California. So the program doesn't really go into specifics as far as what you need to do in the state of California. So there
Mhm.
was research that I had to do. It wasn't like it's the most difficult thing. Overall, the program it gave me the steps to follow. I followed them, and it went well. So yeah, I would agree and say that it was definitely necessary for me to join the program and join the team to be where I'm at.